Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative, and I am so excited to show you guys one of the mini planners that I will be using this year. This is a DIY standard size traveler's notebook. Isn't she pretty? I think she came out cute, but I haven't put everything in here because I just finished making it. And let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial of how I made this. So these are all the books that all of the inserts that I will be putting in here, and I'll explain how I'm using each one as I go along, as I put them in there. So I'm going to just start with my planner. That's the first one I'm putting in, and I decorated the cover because I love decorating things. But this is how it comes. They come blank, 3 to a set. They are undated, and you can do one per month. So let me just show you what's in the inside. So it starts with just a blank dot grid page, a 2020 full calendar, and then a blank page, a full calendar, another blank page. Oh, and I love the blank pages. That way you can customize it if you want to add like a bullet journal, few bullet journal pages, have added. And it also comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weekly layouts, and then another blank page. I use this blank page for my bi-weekly menu and shopping list, and the rest, the pages in the back are just blank pages, so you can use how you see fit, customize it however you like. Because I do want to, I don't know, I may give it a try again, try my hand at bullet journaling. So that's what I will be doing with the pages in the back. I'm not sure. But so I have my planner, monthly planner, and then I have an insert for my daily routines. And oh, the rest of them are just blank inserts with the dot grid paper. So this one is for my daily routines, and I already have a rubber band on these two because I know I want to keep these clipped together. And I am kind of revamping and adjusting my daily schedule, like my cleaning schedule, my filming schedule, just everything. I'm kind of revamping it, so that's why I have these two together. And there, I'll take it off so you can see. And this is how you get more inserts in your traveler's notebook, because this one has 6 inserts. Before I start filling it up, let me just show you how pretty she is. Alright, so I made this just like I made my mini album. The only difference is the outside of this one is like a faux leather, and that one is paper, but I'll link the tutorial. You can follow along with the tutorial. The only thing is different is it's faux leather, and I glued in the spine. So I have the little spine with 6 bands. And this is the main reason why I did a DIY one instead of buying one or using my other one. I do have the Webster's Pages one. It only has 2 bands. They are double, but I mean, I don't know. I just need more. And you can see I broke it because I tried to stuff so much stuff in there. So I decided to make my own. Oh, let me show you the other thing. It is tied from the outside. Under, they're usually tied, and the knot is in the inside. It's tied from the outside. So if this breaks, which it usually does, because I overstuff it. Let me just tighten it so you can see the little knot. Like if this pops, I can use a curved needle and just thread it back through there and put another string. And I glued a little ribbon on the front because the knot is under this ribbon. All right, so let's put in my first insert. Where are they? It's my rubber band. Guess I just have to find another one. Let's see. This one looks big enough. Alright, so to get more... Oh, there's the rubber band. Gosh darn it. Alright, so to get more than one insert on a band, first you put the rubber band on the spine of your insert like that. Then you grab your next one. Oh, and it's curling up because these are two different sizes. I was trying to decide which size to use, so I made a few of them this size also. So once you have the rubber band like that, you just push it on, and that way you get two inserts on one band. How cool is that? Oh, and then I have my monthly journal. And I think I'm going to stick that one in between these two. Alright, so next I have an insert for my budget. This one is just kind of self-explanatory. I just track my budget and expenses with this insert. And I'm putting this one by itself because I really only pull this one out maybe once or twice a month. So I don't want it attached to anything else. Alright, and then I have this one is for self-care and beauty. And the way I plan on using this one, I have little tabs already in there. In the front, I want to put like self-care routines and ideas. And then in the back, I want to kind of put like, I guess like beauty recipes and routines. Like you find those things on Pinterest and they're like, I don't know, like use this for stretch marks or whatever. But I pin it and I never use it. But I figured if I either write it down or print it and put it in here, I'm more likely to use it and incorporate into my self-care routine. Oh, and how pretty is that paper? This is, like I just made the book and then I put a vellum cover on it. And I think this paper, this vellum paper is from Pink Fresh Studios. I got this in some Happy Mail. Yeah, I think that's from Pink Fresh Studios. Trying not to get my little tab. Alright, so that is that one. My next insert is just home projects. Just all the home projects that I want to tackle this year, like just organizing the house. And one of my goals for this year, one of the things that I would like to do this year is to renovate my kitchen. So in here I want to put like lots of pictures of new kitchens and things like that, just to give me some inspiration. And then the next two I have clipped together. This one is just books that I want to read. And this one also has a tab in it. And the way I plan on using this one, and the front I will list all of the books that I would like to read this year. And then in the back, the ones I actually read, I'll list them. And I guess kind of put, I don't know, kind of a summary or what I thought about the book. That will be in the back. And then I have this book, which is my wish list. And this is basically anything that I would like to buy. Like, you know, I don't know, things that I have to save up for. Like, you know, some new shoes or new purses. Things like that. I will list them in here. I also keep a wish list for each family member. Like things that they either want or need. And I'll put like their sizes, shoe sizes, colors. I'll put all of that in here. So when I'm in the store and I see things, I can kind of look at it, see what's on each person's list. And this also helps me stick to my budget, because if it is not on this list, the object is, I don't need to buy it. Or at least that's the plan. And I have one more band left, but yeah, there's a lot of stuff. So the next book is, I labeled this one Style, and in here I just want to put pictures of fashion inspiration. And I also want to get back into sewing this year. So I am going to go through my fabric stash, pull out all those boxes, and see how much I have, because I haven't sewn in a while. And I'm going to put fabric swatches in this book and list how much of each type of fabric I have. So when I do want to sew something, I don't have to dig through all that stuff. And then the last book, I have my vision book. I call this my vision book. It's kind of like a vision board that you carry with you. Let me see. I think I put a few things in there. Yes, I started with a few things. But it's kind of like a vision board that you can carry with you at all times. And I did do a vision board. I went to a vision board party, but I prefer having it in the book. Because kind of if it's on a wall, you know, everybody sees it. I don't know. I like to, oh, and I like to add to it, like as the year goes along. You're not going to, you know, keep doing boards, but I'll keep adding to this book. My camera got cut off. I guess I was rambling. Did I tell you about, oh, I was talking about my vision book and what I use it for. I use this like a vision board, but instead of a board, it's a book. So that way you can carry it with you, and just instead of doing one board for the entire year, you can kind of add to this as the year goes on, as things change, as your goals change. You can add to this, and also it keeps it more private. You know, if it's on the wall, depending on where you have it or where you hang it, kind of, you know, everybody sees it. So this way it keeps it a little more private. And then, oh, I have this envelope with pictures in it. These are just pictures that I want to put in my vision book and my fashion book. And also, I have some pictures of just home projects and kitchens, because I want to renovate my kitchen this year. So I just have pictures in here to use in here. And this is just 2 vellum envelopes, and I glued the flaps together. I glued the flaps together and then cut it down at the top, and it makes like, I don't know, like a little folder. Let me put this. All right, I think I have to put this one in here first. So that one goes in there like that. Oh, and when you put 2 books on one band, you can get those 2 books on the band, and then it leaves this band free, so you can add something. Like you can add another thing. Because the one thing that is missing from here, I did not do I need to do a dashboard to put like some sticky notes and things. So those are all of the inserts, and this is my vision book from last year. I just have that tucked in the back because I like to look at it when I as I'm working on the new one. And then I just have some stickers tucked in the back, and I have my little, like a little washi, some little travel washi, but I need to make a dashboard first to be able to put it in here. So that is everything, and now you see why I made her so chunky, because you can see, like, this is how they come in the store. So you can see why, I don't know, I guess kind of why it popped. And I can carry so much stuff in here. I may have to put another knot in there. But yes, so this is one of the planners I will be using this year. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed my little setup, and let me know. I don't know why this is so crooked. Yes, it is bothering me. Did I tie it? Oh, when I put the knot back, I didn't tie it straight. There it is. Oh, also, let me know if I should do a tutorial or if the old one is kind of self-explanatory. I will also link, I have no idea what the name of the channel, but someone did a similar tutorial to this, so I'll also link that video. And hope you guys enjoy this, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I